It is time for Ask a Doc. Shawn Michaels with you. It is brought to you by Hackensack Meridian Health. We often associate lung cancer with smoking, but there's a concerning trend emerging: rising rates among non-smokers. Joining us today to talk about this shift is Dr. Thomas Bauer, Chair of Surgery and Chief of Thoracic Surgery at Hackensack Meridian Jersey Shore University Medical Center, as well as the Chair of Thoracic Surgery for this southern region. Good morning, Doctor. Thanks for being with us.
Shawn, thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure to be here with you and your listeners.
Dr. Bauer, it's a surprising statistic. Nearly 10 to 15% of cases now involve people who have never smoked. Why are we seeing more lung cancer in non-smokers today?
There's always been about 10% of patients that get lung cancer that are not smokers or have an identifiable cause. But we, yes, as you point out, have been seeing an increase in that non-smoker. I think that's as we have people stop smoking, I think that affects the numbers, but there are other risk factors that put people with the potential to get lung cancer.
That leads to my next question, Doctor. What are some overlooked risk factors that non-smokers should be aware of?
You know, if we think about our lungs, the whole point of them is to take in healthy air and help get that into our bloodstream. Things that we're inhaling that we shouldn't be, that aren't air, pollutants, can cause damage. So things like secondhand smoke, obviously, can be just like smoking yourself. People that work with a lot of diesel or other exhaust that has a lot of chemicals that you're inhaling is unhealthy. Asbestos, most of that has been abated or removed, but people who work with asbestos also put themselves at risk. And then finally, radon gas. It's an odorless gas that if people have bought a house recently, they may have tested the basement for it. But those are the predominant risk factors that people have. And some of it is just simply genetic.
So, Doctor, if you're a non-smoker and you're worried, what should you do to stay proactive and partner with your doctor?
First thing is you should be seeing a doctor on a regular basis, and your doctor will go through all the screening programs we have for colon cancer, make sure you're up to date on your breast and everything else. But if you're having any symptoms related to cough or any respiratory symptoms, frequently a CAT scan is done, and if you have something of concern, that CAT scan is a great way to identify it early so we can get you taken care of.
To learn more or to take a lung screening health risk assessment, call 844-HMH-WELL or visit hackensackmeridianhealth.org/thoracic surgery. And that's spelled THORACIC surgery. Dr. Bauer, thanks so much for taking time to talk with us today.
Thank you, Shawn, and best of health to you and all your listeners. We're here if you need us.